My name is Giovanni da Silva, and I'm the Senior Manager of Engineering and Maintenance. After the product is put in bags, DGS starts with the arrangement, sorting the bags into belts, and then put via robots from the bags into the boxes. Then closing the boxes and going to the palletization. We find that the proposal from DGS were more attractive in case of flexibility, in case of technical specifications, a better layout. Two points for me that are really key when I'm going to choose a supplier. First of all is the flexibility. So the flexibility to build something else that is not in their know-how, but the willingness to do something for the customer. And the second point, for example, is the trust. So when you look in the eyes and you feel the trust with a person that is going to say, "I'm going to do that for you." So those things for me is the most important thing. I would suggest DGS for people that is in my network, because I think the guys have done a very good job here.